Say Java Tutorial 3, Java Modifiers, Variables and Operators. See, in this session we are going to discuss these three topics. First topic, Java Modifiers. Java Modifiers. Next, Java Variables. Variables. Next, Operators in Java. Operators in Java. Okay. First I am taking Java modifiers. Java modifiers. Say modifiers are keywords that we add to those definitions to change their meaning. We have two types of modifiers in Java. One is access modifiers, another is non-access modifiers. See, modifiers. Modifiers are keywords that we add to those definitions to change their meaning. Next, two types of modifiers, not two modifiers, two types of modifiers. Two types of modifiers in Java. One is access modifiers. Another is non-access modifiers. Okay. First, access modifiers. We have four access modifiers. What is the purpose of access modifiers? We use access modifiers to define access control for classes, methods, and variables. See, we use access modifiers to define access level 2. Okay, access control to classes, variables and methods. Otherwise, maintain the sequence. First unit variables, next methods and classes. Okay. See, first one, public. What is public access modifier? Public access modifier is accessible everywhere. Public access modifier is accessible everywhere. See example, public class sample, class name sample, open curly braces, close curly braces. Next, private access modifier. The private access modifier is accessible only within class. Say, the private access modifier is accessible only within class. Only within class. See, example, private int a equal to 1, 2, 3. Next, default modifier. See, if we don't specify any modifier, then it is treated as default. This can be accessible within package. See, if you don't specify any modifier, then it is treated as default. This can be accessible within package. Example, class sample. Here we didn't specify any modifier. Default. Next, protected. See, protected. See, the protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside of the package also, but through inheritance. See, the protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside of the package but through inheritance. Outside of the package also, but through inheritance. Say, example, protected small letters, class sample, open curly braces, close. Say, developers use access modifier for securing the code, but in our test automation, usually we don't focus on this access modifiers. Usually public, say generally public, public modifier can be used in our test automation. Ours is teamwork. We share our resources. So 99%, 100% we use public modifier. Remaining modifiers rare use, but developers use all modifiers. Okay, I will give one table. Concentrate. Modifier. Just a minute. modifier, next within class, next within package, next outside of the package, outside of the package by subclass only, inheritance, next outside of the package without inheritance, outside of the package. See modifier. Just a minute. First I'm taking private. Private. Tell me Sridevi, private within package, is it accessible or not? Say yes or no. Is it accessible or not within class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next within package.
Private within package.
What
I
we
think
told?
yes.
Private access modifier accessible only within class.
Yes.
So no within package.
Mm.
Next no. Next no.
No, sir.
Okay. Next default. Default.
It is accessible within package, sir.
Within class, within
And package.
package. Next outside of the package, no.
No, sir.
Next no. Just a minute. Next protected. Protected. Protected.
Protected
Within class, yes. Within
package.
package, yes. Outside of the
Outside.
package by subclass, yes.
Yes, sir.
Outside of the package, no.
No, sir.
Next, last one, public. Public.
Yes, sir.
See, yes, within class, yes. Within package, yes. Outside of the
Yes.
package, yes. Outside of the package without inheritance, yes.
Yes.
It can be accessible everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, come to non-access modifiers. Second one, we already used some non-access modifiers. Say our test automation point of view, three non-access modifiers are important. Others also there. Three non-access modifiers are important. Second one, non-access. Put mute, non-access modifiers. First one, static. What is static modifier? Static modifier is used to create classes, methods, and variables. Static class, static method, static variable. Static variable means class level variable. See, static access modifier, access modifier is used to create classes, methods, and variables. See, example, suppose static method, static int data type, return type, add method name, open curly braces, statements, close curly braces. Next, suppose static int a equal to 10. Next, final modifier, final, just a minute. final. We already used final modifier, I think, in yesterday's class. Final modifier for finalizing classes, methods, and variables. Finalizing, they won't change, they never change. Final modifier, final modifier is used to finalizing, is used for finalizing classes, methods, and variables. Example, final int a equal to 100, value finalized. Next, abstract, abstract, abstract modifier. Abstract modifier is used to create abstract classes. Abstract means incomplete. Abstract classes and abstract methods. It is OOPS concept. This we will discuss in OOPS chapter. Abstract modifier is used to create abstract classes and abstract methods, incomplete methods. For example, abstract class sample. See, these are the important access and non-access modifier for our test automation. Next, come to next chapter, Java variables. Just a minute. Pridvipal, can you hear me? Madhuri?
Yes, sir, I can, sir.
Okay, cool.
Yes, yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, Madhuri. Java variables. Java variables. Say, variable. What is variable? Madhuri, what is variable? You can find variables in all programming languages and scripting languages. What is variable?
It is the value.
Variable is not the value.
Basically, it can be.
Variable is not the value. Okay. Next, Pradvipal, what is variable?
Yes, sir.
Global concept. A named memory location to store the temporary data within a program. Temporary data. Say, variables won't store data on hard disk. It stores in primary memory, RAM. See, a named memory location to store the data, to store the temporary data within a program. Say, during execution only, variables values can be accessed. Temporary data. After completion of the execution, they remove from the RAM. Say, in computer, general topic, in computer environment, we have two types of memory. in computer environment. Computer environment. Not only computer environment, nowadays in mobile environment also. Okay. See, now testing is extended to mobiles also. Earlier only computer software testing. Nowadays mobile software testing also. Okay. A, primary memory. Primary memory. Next, secondary memory. Secondary memory. Can you tell me, Santosh, what is primary memory in computer environment?
RAM,
RAM. Secondary memory?
uh, hard disk,
Yes, ROM. ROM. These are hard disk drive. Next, DVD. Next, USB drive,
yes,
etc. Okay. See, variable store in primary memory, not in secondary memory. This is about, all of you put mute. This is about what is variable. What is variable? Just a minute. What is variable? Next, declaration of variables. Declaration. Declaration of variables. You know how to declare variables. See, Java supports explicit declaration of variables. See, yesterday we discussed Java supports explicit declaration of data types. Today, explicit declaration of variables. See, Java supports explicit declaration of variables. Variables only. What is explicit declaration of variables? Arthi.
You
Arthi.
have to you have to declare before you use it.
Yes. Before using the variable, first we need to declare the variable. For example, in VB script, VB script supports implicit and explicit declaration of variables. In VB script, without declaring variables also you can use. You can use directly. But Java is programming language. Formalities are there. First we need to declare the variable, then use. Next, suppose example, int a or int a equal to 10. Next, int a comma b comma c. Next, int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30, semicolon. Not only, next one more usage also. Observe, int res equal to a plus b. Observe, Pradvipal, here declaring the variable and using directly. Getting this one?
yes, sir.
Declaring and using directly in mathematical operation. Next, just a minute. For example, observe Praveen Rao, int a equal to 10b. Next, After some steps, int res equal to result equal to a plus b. Is it correct usage or incorrect usage?
Correct usage only.
Incorrect.
Maybe.
Why? We didn't initialize b variable na. Not only declaring, we need to initialize the variables. Just a minute. See, create a class, new class, see, variables, generate main method. Say, int a equal to 10, b semicolon. Next, int res equal to a plus b. Observe, it's showing error na.
Yes.
Initialize variable. See, before using the variable, first initialize. This is incorrect usage. Incorrect usage. Next, this one also. Before this, just a minute. Int a equal to 10. B not declared. This is also incorrect. Okay. Just a minute. I will show a small example. Observe, int a. Next, int b equal to 100. Next, int c comma d comma e. Next, int suppose f equal to 10, fg equal to 20. Next, h equal to 30. Next, suppose char x equal to, for example, capital A single quote. Next, char y equal to 1. You can use numbers also, but single letter. Next, char z equal to single quote, suppose asterisk symbol. Next, suppose char suppose L equal to single quote AB, AD. Observe Pradipal, is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect, sir.
Incorrect. Only single letters. Only single letters. Next, double. Just a minute. Double M equal to 123.456 semicolon. Next, Boolean. Boolean n equal to true or false. Next, string. String is not data type. String mn o equal to selenium. Next, string OP equal to, you can use multiple words also. Selenium, Java, TestNG. Next, string Q equal to 1, 2, 3. You can use numbers also, but within double quotes. You can use PQ. You can use special characters also. See, just no output, just execute the program, it won't show any error. So, correct syntax. Okay, just a minute. Next, access, assign values to variables. Assign. Third topic. First topic, what is variable? Second topic, declaration of variables. Third topic, assign. Assign values to variables. Observe Santosh. We can assign values to variables in two ways. What are the two ways? One is
Uh,
initialization.
Initialization.
Initialization. What is initialization? What is initialization?
Uh, it is storing a value for the variable.
Storing the value for the variable. Less clarity. Can you tell me, Prithvipal, what is initialization? Initializing variables?
Assigning value to variable.
Assigning value to variables. Okay. Less clarity. Praveen Rao. Yesterday we discussed this one. Initialization.
Initial value to variable.
Okay. Suleiman, have any idea what is initializing variables?
Initialization is giving a first value to a variable we declare.
See, your voice is very low, not reaching. See, initialization means assigning value directly in the program. Example, int a equal to 10. This is initialization. Or later you can add, see, int b equal to 20. This is also initialization. Getting the point, Prithvi Pal Singh? Initialization means assigning value directly in the program.
Direct, not variable, direct to program, sir.
Pardon?
So initializing value to direct to program, not to variables.
To variables only, but where? In the program only.
In the program only, okay.
See, assigning value directly in the program. Next, another method is reading. This is also in the program only, but not direct value. This is direct value, not 10.
Yep, sir.
Direct value, but reading is sometimes we don't know value. For example, if you read value from files, in the file some value is there. Suppose if you don't know that value, you can read. But direct value means user must know the value now.
Yes, sir.
See, this is direct value. A equal to 10 is direct value. Next, reading. Reading is reading different flavors, reading input.
The value from.
Next, reading from files. etc. Just a minute. Read input using input devices. Next, read from files, and in our test automation, one more flavor is there. Read from application objects. Read from application objects or elements. Observe, Sridevi, this concept. Read from application objects. Suppose in our web application, one form is there. In that form, mobile number field is there. Data already there. I want to read that data and check whether the data is numeric type or not. For that, we read the data from mobile number field to a variable, then we can check that value. Reading data from application objects. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Respond quickly, say yes or no. Madhuri, getting?
Yes, sir.
Reading from application objects. See, in our web
Yes, sir.
applications, forms are there. In that forms, fields are there. Sometimes we read field value. Suppose in edit box, some user ID is there. We have to read that user ID and compare with expected. That time we read the value now. How to read?
Yes, sir.
Read the value to variables. First we need to store the value into variable, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, it is local usage. Observe, Pradvipal. Read from application object is local use. Read input. Next, read from files, global. Getting? Developers also read input using input devices, read data from files. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Say reading, how to read, that we will discuss in file handling chapter. Next, I will show one small example. This is also reading. Int a b equal to 1 to 3. Next, b equal to a. Observe, Pradvipal, b equal to a. Is it initialization or reading? B equal to a.
I think reading, sir.
Reading only. Reading from a variable. It's not direct value. This is also reading. Okay, na Santosh? Assigning values to variables, two types. One is initialization, another is reading. Reading, we have different types of reading. One is reading input using input devices, mouse and keyboard. Next, reading data from files. Next, reading values from application objects. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, variable naming restrictions. Observe. Fourth one, variables naming restrictions or naming rules. Naming restrictions or naming rules. See, first one, Java variables are case sensitive. Java variables are case sensitive. Case sensitive. Observe, Madhuri. For example, int a. Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct, sir.
Correct declaration. Next, int capital B. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
No, case sensitive, but you can use uppercase or lowercase.
Lowercase. Right.
Case
Yes.
sensitive, but you can use uppercase or lowercase. Value assignment time only you use uppercase. Suppose A equal to 100, correct. Suppose small b equal to 200. This is
Incorrect.
incorrect. You can use uppercase or lowercase, no issue, but use the same case in other areas in the program. Suppose.
Why is it incorrect, sir?
Pardon?
You wrote there incorrect.
Incorrect. Last
That's
one.
why.
Now, declaration time I used capital B na.
Okay.
Here also I have
Right.
to use capital B only. Otherwise, incorrect.
It'll be. Okay, I got it.
See,
Thank you.
suppose, welcome. See, A, B. Yes, correct. Next, A equal to 100. Suppose B equal to 200. Observe, it is showing error na. See, it is asking change to quick fixes B. It is correct. Okay. You can use either uppercase or lowercase, but case sensitive. Case sensitive means it doesn't mean you have to use only small letters. There is no such type of restriction. Getting this point, Santosh?
Yes, sir.
In general, we use small letters in Java. Why? All Java keywords are small letters. That's why we use variable names and other values also small letters, but no restriction. You can use capital values also, but use same value for remaining in another areas. Okay. Next, if it is VB script, in VB script you can use no case sensitive. VB script is no case sensitive. Observe, suppose it is Java. Suppose VB script used in UFT. If it is VB script is not case sensitive. For example, in VB script we use dim statement for declaration variable. Suppose dim A, no semicolon, plain statements. A equal to 100. Here single quote for comments. It is correct only. Why? VB script is not a case sensitive language. No difference between uppercase and lowercase values. Okay. Next, got the point, Sridevi? Case sensitive.
Yes, sir. I got it.
You can use either uppercase or lowercase, but case sensitive. Next, Java variable names should start with a letter or $sign or underscore. See, Java variable name should start with a letter, alphabetic, or $sign or underscore. Observe Praveen Rao. Suppose variable name, I am not writing complete syntax, only variable name. Myvar, is it correct or incorrect? Praveen Rao, is it correct or just variable name? I'm not writing complete syntax. Just
Okay,
variable.
correct.
Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct only, sir.
Correct. Suppose myvar, this one?
It's also correct.
Correct. Suppose $ABC, this one?
Yes, it's correct, sir.
Correct. Underscore XYZ.
It's correct, sir.
Suppose myvar 7 or 7 number. First letter should be either a letter or dollar or underscore. After that one, you can use numbers. Okay, na?
Correct. Correct only, sir.
Next, correct only. Next, 7 myvar.
It's wrong. Incorrect.
Incorrect. Incorrect. Next, special characters. Star myvar.
It's incorrect.
Incorrect. Okay. See, Java variable name should start with variables names should start with a letter or dollar sign or underscore. Next, variable names should not match with Java keywords. Variables names should not match with Java keywords or reserved words. Observe Pradipal. Int ABC, single word. Is it correct or incorrect? Int ABC, is it correct declaration or incorrect declaration?
It's correct.
Correct declaration. Okay, ABC is single word, no space. Next, int new. This one, correct or incorrect?
Correct, sir.
Correct. What is
No, sir,
new?
incorrect, sir.
New is keyword na.
Yes, sir, incorrect. Sorry.
Java keyword for creating object. New is
Yes, sir.
Java keyword. This is incorrect. Next, must be unique in the scope of declaration. Must be unique in the scope of declaration. Means no duplicate variables. Scope of declaration, class level, block level, local variable, global variable. Just a minute. Suppose int a comma b. Next, just a minute. Int c comma d comma a. Observe, a duplicate variable must be unique, so it is not allowed. Next, for just a minute. If b greater than a, next int a is not allowed. Why? A already declared. For example, int c allowed. C equal to some 1, 2, 3. int c. Suppose here c, not allowed. Here not allowed. Must be unique in the scope of declaration. No duplicate variables. Next, must not exceed 255 characters. Maximum length of a variable is 255 characters. 1 to 255. Actually, that much length is not required. That is maximum. See, must not exceed 255 characters. Okay. See, these are the naming restrictions. Tell me, Santosh, 5 naming restrictions or rules we discussed for variables. What are they?
Uh, First one is
Okay.
case sensitive.
Variable names. Java variable names are case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
Next.
Variables.
Variable name should start with either a letter or dollar sign or underscore. Next.
Variables should be unique. Name should be unique
in the scope of declaration. Next.
Then
must not exceed 255 characters.
Yeah, 255.
Next.
Yeah.
Variable name should not match with Java keywords.
Java keywords.
Okay, B sharp. Next concept. Types of variables. Types of variables. Types of variables. Say we have 3 types of variables in Java. 3 types of variables in Java. 3 types of variables in Java. First one is local variables. Local variables. What is a local variable? Local variables are declared in methods or any blocks. See, local variables are declared in methods or blocks. Example, condition blocks, conditions, loops, etc. The scope of the local variable within that block only. It can be used within the block only, not in main program. Next, instance variables. Instance variables. Instance variables are declared in a class but outside of a method or any block. See, instance variables are declared in methods, declared in a class or outside outside of a method or any block, outside of a method or any block. Next, static variables. Static variables. Static, just a minute. Static, or you can say class variables, class level variables. See, the static variable gets memory only once in a class area at the time of class loading. The static variable gets memory only once in a class area at the time of class loading. Static variables are declared as static. These can't be local. Static variables are declared as static. These can't be local. Say I will show an example. Observe Pradvipal, where we declare static variables. Observe, just a minute. Suppose static int a. It is showing error now. Why?
Yes, sir.
We have to declare static variable before main method. It's a class level before main method. Now it is not showing any error now.
No, sir.
No error. Next, suppose declare one method, put mute public, suppose int salary, open curly brace, close. Okay. Next, one local variable, int my salary equal to 10,000. 10,000. Next, just a minute. My salary equal to my salary plus A. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3. Return this one, my salary. Semicolon. See, here A is class level variable, my salary is local variable. Next, int B equal to 20. Next, suppose print SYSO control space enter. EA is class level variable. Next, B. Next, suppose access that method. First, create object, class name, variables, obj equal to new variables spell mistake. Sensitive. Next, int res equal to obj dot my salary. What is that one? Salary na method name. Salary. Display res. Next, just a minute. Local variables.
So int my salary is local variable, right, sir?
Int my salary
Is local variable. Sir.
Yes, local variable.
So we can declare local variable before main method, or we have to declare after
main method also. That is method block. Suppose if it is condition block, you can declare within the condition.
Okay, sir.
Suppose if a greater than b, if a greater than b, next suppose int x equal to 1 2. What is this int x? Is a local variable or class level variable?
Local variable.
Local variable. Just a minute. X. This is local variable. Local variable. Next, suppose int display A. A is
class level variable.
Class level variable. Class variable. It can be used for entire class. Within the blocks also, outside of the blocks also. Suppose after this block, same statement. Observe, it is showing error na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this one. No error. See, it is local variable na, that's why error. Okay na, Santosh, local variables can be used within that block only, isn't it?
Yeah.
But method, you can also method as well, sir.
Method also block na. See, open curly braces, close curly braces. Method also block.
Block, yes, sir.
See, you cannot display my salary outside of that block. Just a minute. Suppose using that method we are accessing, you cannot access directly. Observe, it is showing error na. Respond, Prithvi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
See, method also block, condition also block.
Block.
Okay. Just a minute. Say. Next, come to next chapter. Java operators. Java operators. Operators. Operators in Java. Say we have rich set of operators in Java. Our test automation point of view, 4 categories of operators important. 4 categories. Other categories also there, but our test automation point of view, 4 categories of operators important. See, important categories of operators. One is arithmetic. See, arithmetic operators. Next, relational operators, or you can say comparison operators. Next, assignment operators. Next, logical operators. These 4 categories are important. See, first I am taking arithmetic operators. Say, mathematical operators. Here, addition. Next, this addition operator acts as, what is the symbol of addition operator? Plus symbol. It acts as addition and concatenation, string concatenation. If it is numeric value, addition. If it is string type data, concatenation. Next, just a minute. Example, 10 plus 20, addition. Next, selenium plus testing, concatenation. Observe Sridevi, 10 plus 20, output 30. It is addition. Selenium plus testing, concatenation. Output selenium testing. Okay na?
Sir.
Next, subtraction. Minus. See, subtraction operator acts as subtraction. Put mute. Next, one more thing, negation. It is used for negative symbol. Suppose 20 minus 10. This is subtraction. Suppose minus 100. This is negative number, negation. Just a minute. Addition. Next, subtraction. Next, multiplication. Next, division. Next, modulus. Next, we don't have operator for exponentation. Using built-in methods, you can conduct exponentation operation to the power of, suppose 10 to the power of 3,000. That is exponentation. For exponentation, we use built-in methods, exponentation. Next, integer division. Next, increment, plus plus sign. Modulus, percentage symbol. Next, division, forward slash. Multiplication, asterisk symbol. Increment. Next, decrement. See, these are the arithmetic operators. For exponentation, no operator available. We use some built-in method for exponentation that we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. See, example. Observe Praveen Rao. Just a minute. Okay. Say, observe. Int A, suppose A equal to 10. Next, B equals to 3. Next, suppose E equal to minus 100. You can use negative number. E equal to minus 100. Why it is showing error? Observe Pradvipal, why it is showing error? A equal to 10, B equal to 20, E equal to, oh here, semicolon, not semicolon, comma. Okay na? Syntax error. Next, string C equal to selenium. Next, D equal to testing, semicolon. Okay. Next, observe. Display A plus B. What is the output, Praveen Rao? A plus B.
13. 13.
30. Next.
13.
13. 13.
Oh, okay. I forgot that values. 13. 10 plus 3. Next. C plus D. Here concatenation. Selenium testing. Next. Suppose E. It is just a negative value. E. It shows minus 100. Next, A minus B, subtraction, 7. Next, A asterisk B, 30. Multiplication, Next, just a minute. Observe Sridevi. A modulus B. What is A modulus B? It returns remainder.
Values.
Pardon? A value 10, B value 3. What is the remainder? 10 by 3. Remainder?
10 by 3. Points, I mean, 3-point change, sir.
That is division. I am asking remainder. Modulus. 10 by 3. 3 into 3, 9. Remainder is 1.
1.
One, sir.
Suppose 10 modulus 2. What is the remainder?
0, sir.
0. Next, 10 modulus 4. What is the remainder? 2. 2. That is remainder. See, in this case, 1. Next, for example, observe B equal to 10. Observe Pradvipal. I am changing the B value. B equal to 10. A equal to plus B. Next, A. What is the A value? Pradvipal. 1 plus for 1, another plus for addition.
Yes, sir.
11.
A is equal to
11. Next, suppose B equal to 10, initial value. Next, A equal to minus B. What is the A value?
9.
9. 9. Next, just a minute. Observe Praveen Rao. Observe. A by B. A by B. Just a minute. Here division 2 types na. Okay. Division A by B. What is A? What is the value, Praveen Rao? A 10 B 3. A by B.
A10 B3 means
If it is integer, it provides integer division only.
yeah 3.
Integer division. What is integer division? 10 by 3.
3.
3 only. Suppose if it is double type data, suppose floating point value 10.0 by 3. What is the output? 3.333 something na.
Yes, 3 only.
Next, already I told for exponentation. Observe Santosh. Here symbol forward slash is common for integer division and general division. If it is integer values, it provides integer output. If it is double type data or floating point values, provides floating point value. Okay na?
Yeah.
Next, I already told for exponentation, no operator. For that we need to take built-in class math. Observe. Suppose double x equal to math. It is built-in class math power POW 10 comma 4. This math is built-in class. Math available in observe Pradipal. Math class available in lang package java.lang, and it is default package. We no need to import. Getting this point?
Okay, sir.
It is default package in Java compiler. We no need to import this one. Suppose scanner.
We need to import, sir.
We need to import. It is not built in. It is not a default. It is not default. Scanner, suppose scan equal to new scanner, some system dot input stream semicolon. Just a minute. Observe, this math is built in class, scanner also built in class, means predefined classes, but for scanner we need to import. Scanner available in java.util package, but this math available in lang package. Lang package is default package in Java compiler, so you no need to import. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Say here we are taking exponentation, means to the power of. For that no operator, you can use math class. Here what is the output? Tell me, Madhuri, what is the output? 10 to the power of 4. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. Isn't it?
10,000. Yes, sir. 10,000.
10,000. This is exponentation. Run the program. Say 13, addition, selenium testing, concatenation, minus 100, negation, 7, subtraction output, 30, multiplication output, 1, modulus output, 10 by 3. 10 by 3, remainder is 1. Next 11, increment, 9, decrement. Next 1. What is this 1?
Double.
Why it is showing 1? Next.
Because we already used A and B again. That is the reason the
No.
values are changed.
I didn't display X. I didn't display. Just a minute. This 1 is integer division. Don't confuse. I didn't display X. Display the X. Observe. Now it is showing 10,000 now. Observe, first 13 addition, next selenium testing, concatenation, minus 100, negation, 7 subtraction, 30 multiplication, this 1 remainder, modulus, next 11 increment, 9 decrement, this 1, what is this one?
That's a reminder.
Okay.
A percentage.
Reminder. What is this above one?
Yeah, because we already used A and B values again, the values are changed. So
Okay. Values changed, not 10 by 3. Just a minute. Values changed. Here 10, here B value 10, A value 9, that's why integer division 1 only. 1 only. Okay. Before this, we changed the values. Suppose B10, A9, 9 by 10, 1 only. Now you can get, see earlier also correct output. Run the program. Observe. Just a minute. I will write meaningful messages. Observe. Addition. Addition. Next. This is concatenation. Concatenation. Next. Negation. Messages optional. Next. This is just a minute. Subtraction. Subtraction. Next. Multiplication. Multiplication. Next. Oh, actually, this is not required. Just a minute. Modulus. Next. Integer division. Integer division. Why values are integers? Integer division. Next. Just a minute. This is just division. Division. Just division. Next. This one is increment. Increment output. Next. Decrement. Next. This last one is exponentation. Exponentation. Run the program. Observe the output. Outputs Santosh. Addition 13 na.
Yeah.
Concatenation selenium testing. Negation minus 100. Subtraction multiplication 30, modulus 1, integer division 3, general division 3.333 something, increment 11, decrement 9, exponentation 10,000. Okay na?
Yeah.
Sridevi, are you following? Arithmetic
Actually,
operators.
sir, I have a question. This B plus plus, that is an increment too, right?
B.
If you write B plus plus.
That is incorrect syntax, I think. B plus plus. Oh, it is taking B plus 1. Run the program. There is the increment. Just 10 only. Not taking na?
Yeah, not taking.
Not taking. Observe this one. You just B plus plus. B. What is the initial value of B? 10 na?
10.
Just B plus plus. Don't assign. Assigning time plus plus B. Now it is showing increment 11 na?
Yeah.
Find the difference. Observe. Assignment time A equal to plus plus B. It is correct. Otherwise, you can directly, without assigning, just B plus plus. Okay na?
Correct.
Getting? Suppose A B plus plus, it won't assign, same value only. Hello?
Yeah, right. That is right.
See, next, observe relational operators. Second one, relational operators. Observe Madhuri, relational operators. We have 6 relational operators. Double equal to. See, this double equal to equals, just a minute, single equal to, this is assignment, double equal to, this is comparison or relation. Okay, here double equal to. Next, not equals to, experimentation equal to. Next, greater than. Next, greater than or equal to. Next, less than. Next, less than or equal to. Okay, here one small note. Relational operators return Boolean result, or you can say logical result. Mathematical or arithmetic operators return value based result. Arithmetic operators return value based result. Suppose 10 plus 3, 13, that is value. 10 into 3, 30, 30, that is value. 7 minus 2, 5, 5 is value. Arithmetic operators return value based result. Relational operators return Boolean result. See, relational operators return Boolean result, or you can say logical result. Logical. logical result, true or false. Okay. Example. Observe Sridevi. Example. Are you following Sridevi? This arithmetic
Yes, sir.
operators?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, relational operators. For example, int a, comma b. A equals to 10. This is assignment. Next, b equals to 20. Okay. Next, a double equal to b. What is the output, Sridevi? A double equal to b. Is a equal to b?
30, sir.
No, false.
Comparison. Yes.
Next, just a minute. A not equal to b?
True, sir.
True. Good. A not equal to b? True. Why? A10, B20 not equal. Next,
Yes, sir.
A greater than b?
False, sir.
False. Next, A greater than or equals to b?
False, sir.
False only. It's not either greater than or equal. False. Next, A less than b?
True.
True. Next, A less than or equals to b?
True, sir.
True. Okay. Run the program. Say false, true, false, false, true, true, false, true, false, false, true, true. Just a minute. Okay, now, Madhuri, are you following?
Yes, sir. I'm following, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, third one, assignment. Assignment operators. Assignment operators. See, some important assignment operators. Assignment equals to, next, observe Santosh, add and assign. See, our test automation point of view, assignment operators also not important. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators. These three categories enough. Add, assign, plus, equal to. Add and assign. Next, subtract and assign. Minus, equal to. Next, multiply and assign. See, two operations. Asterisk symbol, equal to. These are the important assignment operators. Example. Suppose A equal to 10, A equal to 10. Just a minute. Next, just display A. It will show 10, Next, A plus equal to 10. Okay. A plus equal to 10. What is the output, Santosh? Assign and equals.
20.
20. A initial value 10, adding 10. Next, A, just a minute. A minus equal to 10. What is the output?
0.
Not 0. 10.
10.
See here, 20 na A value.
Oh, okay.
After 11th statement, after 10th
Yeah.
statement, see 6th line, A value 10. 6 to 10 lines, A value 10 only. 10th line onwards, A value 20.
20. Yeah.
So 20 minus 10, 10.
10. Yeah.
Next, suppose A multiply and multiply equal to 10.
100.
100. Okay. Run the program. 10, 20, 10, 100. 10, 20, 10, 100. See next, fourth category. It is important for our test automation. 1, 2 and 4 important. Fourth category, logical operators. Logical operators. Say here 3 important logical operators. One is logical not operator. Logical not operator. Symbol experimentation. Next, logical AND operator. We use AND or AND and OR operators for compound conditions. AND operator. Symbol double ampersand. Next, logical OR operator. OR operator. Symbol this one. What is this symbol, Santosh? Pipe symbol.
Types. Yeah.
Next, observe result criteria. Say we use logical operators for compound or multi conditions. See, observe the result criteria. Result criteria. First, result criteria for not operator. Not operator. Suppose operand means condition 1. Operand 1. Next, operand 2. Next, result. Operand 1, operand 2, result. Okay. First operand 1. Operand 1 true. Operand 2 also true. Then output result Santosh. True, true.
True.
True. This is not operator na.
Oh. False.
If both are true, then false. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, true, false.
True.
True. If anyone true, true. Just a minute. True, just first. False, true. False, true.
True.
True. Next, true, true.
False.
True, true already we covered, na? Okay.
Yeah.
False. False, false. False, false.
True.
True. See, this is the result criteria for not operator. Next example I will show. Before that, result criteria for other operators. Next, result criteria for AND operator. AND, logical AND. Observe Praveen Rao. AND. True, true,
True.
true. True, false,
False.
false. False, true,
False.
false. False, false,
False.
false. Next, result criteria for OR operator RT. OR operator. True, true,
True.
true. True, false,
True.
false, true,
True.
false, false,
False.
false. Are you following, Madhuri? Following result criteria?
Yes, sir.
Why you are saying in dull mode? Be active.
Yes.
Next example. Example. Observe. Say. First example. Just first I am taking Boolean. Then I will show. I will take values. Boolean A equal to true. Next, B equal to false. Okay. Next, display not A and B. Not A and B. Next, just A and B. A and B. Next, A or B. Pipe symbol. A or B. Just a minute. Tell me, Madhuri, what are these three outputs? Not A and B. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
True, good. Next, A and B.
True.
A true, B false na? Operator
False,
and na?
false. Yes, sir. False.
False. Next, A or B.
It is true.
True, good. True, okay. Run the program. True, false, true. True, false, true. Okay, na Sridevi, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Next, example 2. Example 2. This time I will take values. Observe. Suppose int a equals to 10,000. Next, b equals to 5,000. Next, c equals to 7,000. Okay. Next condition, if a greater than b and compound condition, a greater than c, just a minute, compound condition, open curly braces, then a is a big number. A is a big number. Else a is not a big number. A is not a big number. Observe Prithvipal. A value 10,000, B value 5,000. Okay, you remove this one in order to avoid the confusion. Suppose 7, 5, 10. Observe first operand or first condition or first expression or operand or condition. First condition, is it true or false?
True, sir.
Second condition, a greater than c, is it true or false?
Also true, sir.
True. Then true. It will execute first part. A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, a value 10, b value 5, c value 70. Observe first condition, true or false?
First is true.
Second condition,
False.
so if any one false, AND operator false na.
Yes, sir.
Then output is a is not a big number. A is not a big number.
This number.
Suppose first condition b value 50. First condition false, second condition true, but false only.
False.
A is not a big number. Next, a 10, b 50, c 70. First condition false, second condition also false, false only. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. See, you can apply same example for not operator. Not operator. What is the not operator symbol? Pipe symbol. Observe output Sridevi. What is the output? First condition false, second condition false.
False.
A is not a big number. Next,
Not a
first condition true, second condition false. Operator R. Output
true, sir.
true means A is a big number.
Remember, sir.
Okay. Next, first condition false, second condition true.
False, true. True, sir.
True only, A is a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition also true, true only, A is a big number. A is a big number.
True.
Okay, true means A is a big number. This is R operator. First one, AND operator. This time OR operator.
OR operator.
Same example. Next, NOT operator. NOT operator. Just a minute. Say, observe the outputs. Observe the outputs, Pradvipal. What about the this first condition? Is it true or false? A10, B5, C7 only. First condition, true or false?
First is true, sir.
Second condition?
True.
True. If I execute this one, what will happen? A is a big number. AND operator. A is a big number. Suppose not first condition and second condition. This time true, but not operator.
False.
A is not a big number. It will show A is not a big number. Negative. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is negative. Not operator. See, we use logical operators for compound conditions. See, this is about operators in Java. Any queries, Sridevi?
No, sir.
See, today we discussed 3 topics: modifiers, Java modifiers, next variables and operators in Java. See, I'm going to close the session. First, Saloni. Any queries, Saloni?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Aarti?
No, thank you. No, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Madhuri?
No questions, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
welcome. Praveen Rao? Ask
No, sir,
questions,
thank you.
ask queries.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Pradvipal Singh?
No, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Next, Santosh?
No, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Suleiman? Okay, Venkat.
Thank you.
Suleiman?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Sridevi? Okay, all answered. Okay, we will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.